It's 6 a.m. in Xi'an, but already 43-year-old train dispatcher Li Pei is readying himself for an intense 12-hour shift with an early morning bowl of spicy meatball soup.
有啥问题没？
差不多将近100车嘛。该卸有没？
该卸你看9道，怪物洞了，
就这一趟嘛。
后头还有个怪物洞6拐嘞。
Over 50 freight trains set out from Xi'an International Trade and Logistic Park every day. More than 20 of them are China-Europe freight trains bound for Poland, Hungary, Germany, Austria, and other countries.
19动58，一会儿8头机检。
At 9 a.m., Li Pei gives the train inspection schedule to the inspection department. The moment he receives the order, 49-year-old train inspector Zhao Xinping immediately gets busy. Thanks to his 23 years of experience, Zhao Xinping can tell at a glance if a train has any problems. With its 25 freight cars, the whole train is 300 meters long. He needs to check and recheck at least 3 times. And once he's finished checking one, there are 11 more to do. That means his working day involves a walk of nearly 20 kilometers.
我们现在这块开行这是中欧中亚班列，它很快啊，这个就是开过去，就是我们自己感觉现在离欧洲好像不那么远了。